Hello all, welcome to another episode related to diaper hacks and tips. I hope you have seen my previous video related to diaper essentials and organizations. If not, then the link is provided in the description box. Please check it out. Whether your child is infant, toddler or newborn, life gets busy and work becomes difficult. And we often ignore small things which makes our life more easier and keeps our house more organized and clean along with the baby in our house. Here I will be showing you 11 different diaper hacks and tips which will make your work less challenging. Hack number 1. Whenever you buy a diaper packet, take some diaper out of that and keep it in a different place, either in a different closet or in a drawer or simply in a bag. In this way, you will have some diaper reserved when you will go out of stock. Use that reserved diaper packets whenever you get out of stock and repeat this process whenever you buy a new diaper packet. Hack number 2. If you are expecting and planning to buy diaper for your newborn, then don't buy it in a store. Always buy a large packet of 54 or 60 diapers because the newborn often shifts to size 1 in a month or so. You can always buy it later if required. By doing this, you will save a lot of bucks. Hack number 3. Sometimes you don't want to carry whole diaper bag. In that case, keep a section in your handbag empty and keep diapers, diaper changing mat and bed wipes in it. It's a good idea to keep them separately in a poly bag and then keep it in your handbag. In that case, whenever you require those things, then you simply need to grab that poly bag and your job is done. I would recommend to keep such poly bags always ready beforehand so that you don't have to rush for things when going out along with the baby. Hack number 4. As I said, keep some diapers in your handbag. Similarly, always keep 4 to 5 diapers in a diaper bag as well. Trust me, it is a very good hack. Whenever you go out and use some diapers from the diaper bag, then make sure as soon as you go home, fill those diapers again in the diaper bag. In that way, your diaper bag will always have diaper in it and you don't have to refill it every time you go out. Some of you think it's a very basic hack, but trust me, it happens many times that you go out with a baby and when you require a diaper, you find your diaper bag empty. Hack number 5. In market, you will find diapers according to the weight and size fit guideline, but never go on the weight guideline. Always choose a diaper which is comfortable to your baby. It should neither be too loose nor too tight to your baby. When fastened, you should be able to run 2 fingers around the waist and once removed, it should not leave a red marks on the baby's waist. It's my personal experience that when I selected the diaper according to my baby's weight, then that diaper was not appropriate for my baby. So I went to one size up. Hack number 6. Hack number 6. Whether your baby is having diaper rash or not, it's always a good idea to put coconut oil on diaper rash prone areas. It will keep the skin moist and also will avoid future rash problems. You can apply it anytime, whether after bathing a baby or before making him or her sleep. Nothing can beat coconut oil benefits. Hack number 7. Often we forget to change our little one's diaper in our busy life, which makes him or her more cranky and fussy. Some diapers comes along with a yellow line which turns to blue when baby is in it, but not all diapers have this feature. So it's always a good idea to check the heaviness of the diapers, or better to download some diaper changing apps which will ask you or remind you to change your little one's diaper based on time interval. Hack number 8. Diaper changing will become less worrisome if you have all the things ready at one place and you don't have to walk back and forth to search for the things. A small basket or a clear plastic bucket to store all the essential items like diapers, changing mats, sanitizers, some old newspapers, and of course a toy to engage baby while changing diapers. So next time when you have to change diaper of your baby, then simply grab that basket and your job is done. You can carry this basket from one room to another and make sure to refill it before sleeping. Hack number 9. Often soiled diapers spread bad odor when thrown in the dustbin. So I would recommend to buy a diaper genie, which is a very costly but effective solution. Diaper Genie is a baby diaper disposal system. It consists of a large plastic container and a plastic lid. It seals every diaper individually in a scented film to avoid spreading the bad odor from the diapers. It is a very nice solution but very costly. If you feel that it will leave a dent in your trash bags, some plastic bags, or simply throw it in the dustbin covered with a newspaper to avoid bad odors from spreading. Hack number 10. With so many brands of diapers available in market, often thus especially new moms get confused as to which diaper they should buy. So it's always a good choice to first buy the smallest packet of that diaper and see if it suits your baby, and then go and buy the larger one. You can save some bucks. Number 11. If your budget allows and you have space in the house, then you can invest in a diaper changing station or table. It comes along with different sections to keep your things more organized and simple. Later on, you can use that changing table for either storing the crockery or for doing ironing. This completes my all hacks and tips related to diaper. I hope some of you will find it useful. If you find any tip or hack useful, then please do subscribe to my channel. And hope you will like this video. Consider sharing it with the new parents. See you all very soon with the next video. Till then, stay happy, stay home and stay safe. Love to your little ones. Bye bye.